Hey everybody, it's Tim from Tim's Detailing Obsession, and today's obsession is our continuing journey to upgrade our air compressor and our blowing tools and our hoses. And yeah, we're talking about high flow air fittings again, and I'm gonna add one more fitting to this setup so we are completely high flow from the compressor right to the tool. So stay tuned to see how that works out. So we are here with the Fortress air compressor that I purchased from Harbor Freight, and on its side we've got a Flexzilla 3/8 hose with 1/4 inch ends on it, which we already added some high flow air fittings, but now it's time to get rid of this brass fitting right up top here where our hose plugs in. Now this is not a high flow air fitting, and we're going to swap it over to one. So let's get started. I'll probably leave one as a conventional brass fitting, and maybe I'll switch them both over eventually, but for now I'm going to leave one, and that way if I do have a conventional fitting I can plug in there, but most of my stuff will be high flow. I've already cracked this loose here and got it so it's hand loose. And now I'm just going to remove this fitting. There it is. Oh, doesn't look like we've got any Teflon tape on it. Maybe there's, yeah, it looks like they got a sealant in the threads here. So yeah, this is our standard brass fitting, and we'll convert that over to the Flexzilla high flow fitting. And that way the hose here on the side is going to hook up. So we can take a look at that, and already you can see we've got the high flow fitting on there, and you can see it's stamped HF for high flow. Now we're going to put one more piece to the puzzle so we can plug this guy in, and that is this guy right here. And it is also a high flow, and so we'll insert that here, but before we do we're going to want to put a little Teflon tape on the threads. Alright, so I've got my Teflon tape on my fitting ready to go in, but before I put it in I'm going to give you a shot of these two, and hopefully this picks up real nice for you, and you can kind of see the difference. You know, these fittings are the same exact size, just one's a high flow and one is not. You see the brass on the bottom there is not the high flow, and it's got a much smaller diameter, so it only makes sense to me to start right from the compressor with high flow instead of having this restrictive brass fitting in the bottom. And yeah, some people say it makes no difference if you use a high flow fitting or not. And to me, I'm just going to take advantage of it. For the few dollars it costs me to upgrade, I think it's a good choice, and I want to get the most out of my tools. I'm just going to start by hand threading the fitting in. Okay, and there we go. And we'll just snug everything up real nice here. Now we can simply take our high flow fitting here, our male fitting, and yeah, simply push it in. Fits nice, really nice looking setup there, and it's going to seal nice. That's the main thing, is it's going to work properly. I think the fact that it looks good is just a little you know, bonus. So we're all set now to run our air compressor. We have high flow on both ends. We have high flow on our blow tool. This thing is ready to go. So real simple upgrade. If you're going from your conventional fittings to a high flow, it's super simple. You know, just little Teflon tape, little time, and yeah, snug everything up, and you're ready to start blowing out interiors or whatever, leaves out of under the hood. So I hope you enjoyed this upgrade to our Harbor Freight ultra quiet compressor and our Flexzilla hose setup with high flow fittings. I'm super stoked. It looks good. Again, does the high flow matter? Well, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I think it does. I think that just from my past experience, I think that you get a little more airflow, and yeah, it costs a little bit more. Some people will claim this is a gimmick, that high flow fittings are a gimmick, but you know what? More and more companies are coming out with high flow fittings, and hey, let's get the most out of our compressor and our air tools to do the job. So I hope you enjoyed. If so, hit the like, subscribe, and come back for more. We'll see you next time.